Basic versus native English. I am very happy. I'm thrilled. It is very cold outside. It's freezing out. I do not understand. I don't get it. I will think about it. I'll give it some thought. She is very tired. She's exhausted. Can you help me? Can you give me a hand? I need to leave now. I gotta go. He is very angry. He's pissed off. This food is very good. This food is amazing. I am going to sleep. I'm hitting the sack. I am very hungry. I'm starving. She is very kind. She's super nice. I made a mistake. I messed up. The weather is very nice. The weather is perfect. I do not like this. I'm not a fan of this. He is very smart. He's brilliant. I need your advice. I could use your input. They are very excited. They're pumped. This is very important. This is crucial. I will call you later. I'll catch you later.